Whoop. Are you going? What floor are you going to?
I'm cleaning the windows, sir.
You're cleaning?
Yeah, go ahead. You can use the elevator.
Okay, no problem. I'm an elevator photographer.
All
All right, let's go to 11.
All right. Where you from?
I'm from Houston.
All right, H-Town.
What about you?
San Antonio.
You live here?
Yes.
San Antonio is my favorite place.
Houston is my favorite place.
Yes. I'm just appreciating these awesome elevators here. I just like filming elevators, you know.
Yep.
Let's go down to the lobby level. These are your fixture. Ooh, lost the focus. These are Schindler elevators.
Yes, sir. It was different, yeah. It was like a dome,
like a cylinder shaped. Yeah, I remember that. Someone from YouTube has filmed this before.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I take for one more ride on this?
Sure, go ahead.
Are you coming out?
Yeah, I'm going out too.
Okay, well, you have a good day, sir.
You too. Take care.
Gonna get a view up here. Oh, it still has that original Dover button. This is from the top floor of the Hyatt Hotel, San Antonio, Texas. There's a waterfall right there.